fall season is almost here. On the trees, leaves are changing their colors from green to yellow to orange. If I go outside, I can feel that cold breeze, and I thought this could be the perfect timing to start or do some kind of fall activities with the kids. So, therefore, today's video is all about fall activities. So, let's get started. The most important thing when there is a season change, it's best to go outside and enjoy the nature and visualize the changes in the nature, and that's what I decided to do with the kids. We went for the hiking and we took a trail walk where we just enjoyed and visualized the simple changes that are observed in the seasons during this fall timing. Mostly leaves are changing their colors, green to yellow to red and orange, and we just observed this natural beauty, and it was so much fun to go outside and really watch some of these seasonal changes with the kids. During our trail walk, we have collected some things such as acorn and leaves, and I have arranged most of the fall activities using these things. The very first activity I have tried with my kids is the acorn counting. It is so exciting and fun to find out how many acorns actually we found while our trail walk. So for doing this activity, I gave a egg carton to my daughter and I asked her to put one acorn into the one slot, and this way count all the acorns. This activity is very good for not only teaching counting but also for doing that one-and-one correspondence, which is essential for doing accurate counting. Next, to cover the similar concept, I have created these DIY counting worksheet, and I use the same things that are usually seen during fall seasons for making this worksheet, and I asked my daughter to count these pictures. So on the first worksheet I made apples. So this is the first worksheet is the apple counting worksheet. While finishing this worksheet, my daughter has to count all the apples and then select the right number from the options given below and circle that number. On the next worksheet, I have made leaf counting worksheet. So here she just have to count the leaves and write the correct number or select the correct number from the bottom options. On the third worksheet on the next worksheet, I made acorns, and on this worksheet she has to count all the acorns. I'm still focusing on the numbers from 11 to 15, and that's why I made this worksheet for practicing only those numbers. But if you want to focus on some other numbers, you can make the worksheet with that many numbers of things on that worksheet. And lastly, I made 15 pumpkins to cover the number 15. Next, I have tried leaf printing and printing activity. For this activity, I have collected some of the watercolor that I have with me at home, and I let my daughter paint all the leaves, and then asked her to put the painted side on a white paper and press it really hard. Actually, we counted our number while pressing leaves on a white paper. And after some time, I just lifted the leaf out of the paper and the print was ready on the page, and at the end the picture turned out really beautiful and pretty. This time I use watercolor, but if you use acrylic color then the picture will look even more prettier, but I just went for the watercolor because the cleaning is very easy with the watercolors. I have also created these DIY color by number worksheets. On this first worksheet, I drew fall tree where kids has to color different leaves according to the numbers. The second worksheet is also color by number worksheet, and on this worksheet I made a scarecrow where my daughter has to just follow the numbers and finish the worksheet according to the colors corresponding to the numbers. Lastly, I want to share that we also made sunflowers. For this activity, I use paper towel roll for making petals and watercolors. Here for making petals, I dipped paper towel into the watercolor and printed petals out of it, and this way we finished whole entire sunflower. It was a very fun activity to do together. With the help of the back of the brush, we made seeds in the at the center of the sunflower, and that way it gave it a finished look. In today's video, I'm gonna cover these many activities. If you try any of these activity, let me know your experiences in a comment section below. See you next time with the next video, and thank you for watching.